Imagine losing your house keys. That moment of panic, the frantic searching, now amplify that feeling, because instead of physical keys, we're talking about the keys to your digital wealth. And instead of just your house, it's your entire crypto portfolio. Scary, right? In the world of cryptocurrency, the concept of custody is paramount. It dictates who holds the metaphorical keys to your digital vault. When you use a traditional exchange, think of it like a bank holding your money. They control the private keys, the unique codes that allow you to access and manage your crypto. This offers convenience, but it also comes with a significant trade-off. You're trusting a third party with your assets. They could get hacked, go bankrupt, or even be subject to regulatory issues that could freeze your funds. Now, let's flip the script. What if you could be your own bank? What if you could hold those crucial keys yourself, having complete and exclusive control over your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? That's precisely what a self-custodial wallet empowers you to do. Think of a self-custodial wallet like a physical wallet in your pocket. You are solely responsible for its contents. No one else can access it unless you explicitly give them permission, or, crucially, if you lose your private keys. This is both the ultimate freedom and the ultimate responsibility. Bitwala offers a powerful platform that embraces this principle of self-custody. When you use a Bitwala wallet, you are the sole custodian of your private keys. Bitwala provides the software interface that makes it easy to manage your crypto, to send, receive, and view your balances. But they never have access to your private keys. These keys are encrypted and stored securely on your own device, putting you firmly in control of your funds. So, why choose self-custody? The primary reason is security. By eliminating the middleman, you significantly reduce the risk of your funds being compromised by a third-party vulnerability. You are in charge of your own security practices. Another key advantage is freedom. With a self-custodial wallet, you have complete autonomy over your crypto. You can transact directly on the blockchain without needing to ask for permission or adhere to the withdrawal limits of an exchange. Your funds are truly yours to control. However, this freedom comes with responsibility. If you lose your private keys, there is no central authority to recover them for you. They are gone, and with them, your crypto. This is why it's absolutely crucial to understand how to properly secure your private keys, typically through methods like securely backing up your seed phrase, a series of recovery words. Bitwala makes this process user-friendly, guiding you through the setup and security measures necessary to protect your assets. They provide the tools and the platform, but the control remains firmly in your hands. Choosing a self-custodial wallet with Bitwala means prioritizing security, freedom, and true ownership of your cryptocurrency. It's about taking control of your financial future in the decentralized world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.